I'm just going to go over a few things that to get you ready for the slopes. And hey there everyone, Jason Tapali here from the Edge Strength and Conditioning, and I'm just in Capun at the moment, just finished skiing. So I'm just going to go over a few things that to get you ready for the slopes, and the most important to get you slope ready. So you need to be in good physical shape, which will help avoid any sort of injuries and potential injuries and any DOMs that you might get when you go skiing. So I'm just going to go around here now. So you need to start exercising regularly, right, to be able to get ski ready. You want to focus more on your ski exercises as well. Leg exercises, unilateral exercises are going to be most helpful for that. So I do that. I do programs that will do leg exercises in my ski fit programs, Fresh Tracks. Next one is to practice balance exercises. Now a lot of personal trainers don't like Bosu balls and wobble balls, but I do think it's very important, especially go skiing, to get your balance and get your core strong and get your core endurance well as well. And lastly is to stretch regularly. So stretch before, stretch after, keep mobile, keep flexible. That's all going to help when you go skiing. So that's going to help you get ready to when you hit the slopes. I'm Jason Tapali here. I'm in Capun at the moment, just doing a quick one. So yeah, if you like this video, please like and share. Hope you can see me with the sun behind me. That yeah, please like and share. Give a big thumbs up on YouTube, and I shall see you on another video coming real soon.